In today's video, I'm excited to show a brand new feature that's now available in 3 of our popular tools: the Word and Number Search tool, Word and Number Fill tool, and Word and Number Snake tool. You can now add checkboxes in front of your words or numbers, perfect for interactive puzzle books, printables, or activity books that readers can check off as they go along. Whether you're creating for print or digital, this little upgrade adds a big boost in engagement and user experience. Let me show you exactly how to use this new functionality inside each tool. Go to Title, Word Settings, and under the Word List section, you're going to see this new input: add checkboxes next to words. So all you got to do, check that box, and then when you create your puzzle, it now has these checkboxes next to it. This works for the Kindle Unlimited interactive PDFs, as you see in this example. It also works for 2-page puzzles, which I'm going to demonstrate with the word search tool. Now I'm in the Word and Number Search tool, and again you go to Title, Word Settings, scroll down to Word List, and go down to here, and we have Add Checkbox Next to Words. We have checkboxes next to our words. In this example, we're doing 2 pages, so we have the words on one page and the puzzle on the next page. If we don't check this box, we'll just have the words with no checkbox. Moving on, let's look at the Word and Number Snake. Again, go to Title, Word Settings. In this example, I'm going to do a number snake. And you look for this box, Add Checkboxes Next to Numbers. Hit refresh. And we have the boxes next to all of our numbers. If we uncheck it, then there's no boxes. And that is how you add checkboxes inside of the Word and Number Snake tool, the Word and Number Search tool, and the Word and Number Fill tool. And that's it. Adding checkboxes is quick and easy, and a great way to make your puzzles more interactive and enjoyable. This feature is available right now in the Word and Number Search, Fill, and Snake tools on a book creator. And it's just one of the many ways we're helping you create more engaging and professional quality, low-content books. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips, tutorials, and updates. And if you haven't tried a book creator yet, sign up for the free 3-day trial and start creating your next best-selling puzzle book today. Your journey to crafting journals, planners, logbooks, and more starts here. Get going now with a free 3-day trial at abookcreator.com.